Are you ready to capture your most thrilling adventures in stunning detail? Look no further than the world of action cameras. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking to document your daring exploits or a travel enthusiast wanting to preserve your precious memories, action cameras offer an immersive and dynamic way to relive those exhilarating moments. From epic mountain hikes to underwater explorations, these compact and rugged devices are designed to withstand the elements and deliver breathtaking footage. Here are only veterans. We are a bunch, our product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. Number 1. Insta. The Insta360 is a feature-packed, waterproof 360 action camera that delivers stunning visuals and a seamless shooting experience. Equipped with 48mm sensors, it captures high-resolution images with exceptional clarity. The 5.7 360-degree active HD HR video capability ensures vibrant colors and dynamic range, making your footage come to life. The camera's 70-twomp 360-degree photo feature allows you to capture immersive panoramic shots with incredible detail. Additionally, the fork single-lens mode offers versatility for traditional shooting scenarios. The 6-tips mode ensures smooth and fluid motion, while the built-in stabilization keeps your footage steady and shake-free. The 2.29-inch touchscreen provides intuitive control and easy navigation. Number 2. GoPro. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is an exceptional waterproof action camera that sets a new standard for capturing high-quality footage and stunning photos. With its 5.360 Ultra HD video resolution and a 27p image sensor, this camera delivers breathtaking visuals that truly immerse you in the action. The inclusion of live streaming and webcam functionality further enhances its versatility, allowing you to share your adventures in real time or use it for professional video conferencing. The built-in stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage, even in the most extreme conditions. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking to document your adventures or a content creator looking for a reliable and feature-packed camera, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is an absolute game-changer. Number 3. Polaroid. The Polaroid dual-screen Wi-Fi action camera is a versatile and feature-packed device that is perfect for capturing all your adventures. With its fork resolution and 18 image sensor, it delivers stunningly crisp and detailed footage. The dual screens, one on the front and one on the back, allow for easy framing and shooting from any angle. Its waterproof design ensures that you can take it underwater without any worries. The built-in rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, while the included mounting accessories make it convenient to attach to helmets, bikes, and more. Whether you're vlogging, capturing sports moments, traveling, or simply creating home videos, this camera is a reliable companion that delivers excellent performance and exceptional value for money. Number 4. Kodak. The advanced MOS sensor with 16 million image pixels in this product offers a significant upgrade in speed, quality, and clarity compared to traditional CT or Kia MOS sensors. With its multiple viewing modes, including ring, dome, front degree, rear 180 degree, 360 degree panorama, and globe, it provides versatile options for capturing unique perspectives. The device allows you to easily capture high-speed action with 1080p Full HD video or full-resolution images at 10 fps with a simple push of a button. Additionally, the movie settings can be adjusted for time-lapse or loop recording, adding a cool and fun element to your footage. The camera is designed to withstand various environmental conditions, being shockproof up to tomb, freeze-proof at 10 degrees, dust-proof, and splash-resistant. Its Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity enable you to position this 360 wherever you want and control it remotely using the PixPro Remote Viewer app on your iOS or Android device. Number 5. Akaso. The Akaso X7000 Fork Ultra Action Camera is a fantastic choice for those seeking professional-grade footage and stunning photos. With its impressive Fork 30 fps, 2.7 30 fps video capabilities, and 20 photo resolution, It captures incredible detail and clarity, surpassing traditional HUD cameras. The wireless wrist remote control adds a new level of convenience, allowing you to control the camera and frame shots effortlessly. Please note that the remote is not waterproof. One of the standout features is its longer battery life, as it comes with two rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries that can each record up to 90 minutes, eliminating worries about running out of recording time. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi and HD enable you to edit and share your action-packed moments in minutes. With its durable waterproof case, the Akaso X7000 can withstand extreme environments, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor activity. Whether you're capturing epic adventures or everyday moments, this action camera delivers exceptional performance and versatility.